In this video, we're going to discuss CrowdSignal, which is a digital poll and surveying tool, which is grateful for facilitating engagement as well as fundamental questioning both inside and outside of the classroom. CrowdSignal is similar to Poll Everywhere, which we discussed in a different video, but allows for you to create polls, surveys, quizzes, ratings, and collect responses from learners via mobile devices, the web, etc. So it's a very useful tool for questioning your students. So we're going to log in, and you can see here I have quite a bit of content already created. These are all separated by classes, so different folders. I can star particular quizzes, I can archive quizzes, I can create new folders for organizing my content. I can break these down into surveys, polls, quizzes, and ratings. And I can create new survey, poll, quiz, or rating. I'm just going to create or walk through the survey. And very simply here, I give it a title. And I can add questions. I can add free text responses. I can add multiple choice. I can add matching or Likert items very easily, and then I can rank order. And these are nice because the users can drag and drop the ranking of the items that they have. You can include notes, and obviously you want to have the actual question, and you can have the order choices entered in a variety of ways. You can also modify how the field, so you can include name, address. There's a number of pre-built items here: phone number, date, time, URL, or file upload. So the learners can upload or respond a variety of preset ways. And then you have some page elements you can modify here as well. Once you create your questions, you then create a style. So you can change the color palette for them. You can modify settings. So here you can edit your link. So if you wanted to give them a specific link to that. And then you can also modify some restrictions. So you can make it password protected, IP restriction, CAPTCHA, email restriction, and one response per computer. This is an upgrade for many of these. Then you go to survey options, so you can close it after a certain date. You can allow for modified survey navigation, and then you can allow it to have its timeout. But again, this is an upgrade. Starting and finish, you can have a start message, so you can upload media or simply type in text. And then you can also have a finishing message, which is also an upgraded item. Languages, and then a header or footer. So if you want to have a custom header or custom footer associated with your class or something along those lines, you can modify that there. And then you have your direct link. You can share it via Facebook, via Twitter, and then you have some other options here. You can embed, you can do a pop-up slider, a banner, a button, email, mobile, and a QR code. So there are a number of ways you can share your quiz, survey, poll with the user. And then once you get your survey, you can get the results. There's an overview here. You can download a report. You can see who responded. You can do an analysis, but again, this is an upgrade. And then you can see where the participants participated from, which is kind of useful. When I go back, I'm going to go to the dashboard. When I click on my dashboard, I'll just pull up a sample here. So a couple of items here is that you can open and close these very easily by clicking on these. So if you want to close them after a certain time, reopen them, etc., you can delete, you can duplicate. So if you want to use a certain quiz again and over, and you can print it. You can star it, you can share it directly here, and you can also go in and edit it at any point in time. You can add multiple items, so it's very easy to create these and edit. So if I wanted to modify and delete things, I can very quickly and easily do that. I can add up to 20 options per ranking question. So again, another option for facilitating questioning, both inside and out of the classroom, engaging the learners, and providing them varied ways to respond to various prompts in support of various phases of the Sources framework. Again, this is CrowdSignal. So we hope you find this a useful tool for engaging your learners in questioning.